Planning a vacation can be an exciting but sometimes overwhelming task. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you plan a vacation effectively. Set your budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend on your vacation. This will help you narrow down your destination options and activities. Choose your destination. Consider factors such as the time of year, weather, type of experience you want, beach, city, adventure, etc., and any specific interests or activities you want to pursue. Research potential destinations and create a shortlist based on your preferences. Decide on the duration. Determine how long you want your vacation to be. This will impact your itinerary, budget, and the activities you can include. Book flights or transportation. Once you've decided on your destination and dates, book your flights or other transportation options. Look for deals and compare prices to get the best value. Accommodation. Research and book your accommodation. Consider factors like location, amenities, reviews, and price. Options include hotels, vacation rentals, hostels, or even camping depending on your preferences and budget. Create an itinerary. Plan out the activities and attractions you want to experience during your vacation. Make a list of must-see sites, excursions, restaurants, and any reservations you need to make in advance. Be sure to include some free time for relaxation and spontaneity. Pack smart. Make a packing list based on your destination, activities, and the duration of your trip. Pack light and versatile clothing, essential toiletries, any necessary documents, passport, ID, etc., and any specific items needed for your planned activities. Travel insurance. Consider purchasing travel insurance to protect yourself against unforeseen circumstances such as trip cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. Money matters. Inform your bank and credit card companies of your travel plans to avoid any issues with transactions. Consider carrying a mix of cash, credit cards, and debit cards for added flexibility. Final preparations. Double-check all reservations and confirmations. Print out or save electronic copies of important documents such as flight tickets, accommodation details, and travel insurance. Arrange for any necessary transportation to and from airports or train stations. Enjoy your trip. Finally, relax and enjoy your vacation. Be open to new experiences, immerse yourself in the local culture, and make lasting memories. By following these steps and planning ahead, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable vacation experience.